Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download Microsoft Teams meeting attendance in 3 different ways. First, I will show you how to download attendance during the meeting. Second, I will show you how to download it after the meeting ends. And third, how to download attendance from the Teams meeting scheduled in Outlook or Teams calendar. Let's get started. In method 1, we will download attendance during the meeting. If your Teams meeting is already running and you want to download the attendance list during the meeting, here's how you can do it. First, open the meeting window. From the top menu, click on People. On the right side, you will see the Participants panel. Now click on the 3 dots beside Participants. From the menu, select Download Attendance List. And that's it. The attendance file will automatically download to your Downloads folder on your computer. In method 2, we will download attendance after the meeting. Now let's see how to download attendance after the meeting has ended. Open Microsoft Teams. From the left side, click on Teams. And go to the channel where the meeting was held. You will see the meeting's details there. Click on See Details. Now click on Attendance. On the top right side, click on Download button. The attendance report will be downloaded automatically. You can check the file inside your Downloads folder. Now in method 3, we will download attendance from the Teams or Outlook calendar. Now let's see how to download attendance from scheduled meetings from Teams calendar or Outlook. Open the Teams. From left side, click on Calendar. Now go to the meeting and double click on it. Now go to the top right corner and click on the 3 dots beside Tracking. And select Download as CSV. The attendance report will be downloaded to your Downloads folder. This method is very useful for scheduled meetings and for keeping attendance record. So that's how you can download Microsoft Teams meeting attendance during the meeting, after the meeting, and from the meeting scheduled in Teams or Outlook calendar. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.